Still deleting Facebook posts one by one? That's slow, frustrating, and honestly a waste of time. In this video, I'll show you how to delete multiple Facebook posts at once. Clean your profile in minutes, not hours. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and secure Facebook tricks that actually work. Step by step, delete Facebook posts at once. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone and sign in. Make sure you're using the latest version for all options to appear. Stay on the main screen before moving forward. Step 2. Locate the three-line menu icon in the top corner of the app. This menu controls your account, profile, and activity tools. Access it to continue managing your content. Step 3. From the menu, navigate to your Facebook profile. This is where all your past posts, photos, and updates live. Scroll slightly until profile options appear. Step 4. Open Activity Log or Manage Posts, depending on your app version. Choose the type of posts you want to remove. Posts, photos, or older content from previous years. Step 5. Mark the posts you want to delete by selecting them together. This allows you to manage multiple posts at the same time. Once selected, continue to the action options. If this tip helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And make sure to subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook, Instagram, and tech privacy tips every week. Step 6. From the options menu, choose Move to Trash. Confirm by selecting Move to complete the process. Your selected posts are now removed from public view. Boom, job done. Your Facebook profile is now cleaner, more professional, and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and remember, your privacy is your power in the digital world. If you have any questions or want more Facebook tricks, drop a comment below. I personally read them. Until next time, this is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and secure.